Hey y'all, it's your girl Candace Lene and I'm back with another video. If you are new to this channel, please go hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, thank you and welcome back. Got another wig. This is another wig from Sealy Hair. This is their 14-inch curly. Y'all about to see everything about it, how I feel about it, and all that good stuff. Watch me install it. If you're interested, please continue watching because there's some tea on this hair. Gotta start off with a dance break to get you in a good mood. You know, that just really gets everything going and flowing for you. But we have a 14-inch 5x5 curly unit that we're going to install today. Straight out the pack. The curls are looking kind of rough, but cute still. And then the knots are fairly small, so that should be easy to blend. But wait a minute, this don't look like a 5x5. Let me double check. It says 5x5, but it's not giving 5x5. I don't know. That looks a lot larger than 5x5 to me. But whatever. Okay. Gonna go in with the stick to make sure that we lay all that hair back. And then go ahead and bleach the knots. Or bleach the knots. Y'all, that's not what I'm doing. I'm putting the makeup on to... Y'all know what that's for. Spray it to keep it in place. Blow dry that to make sure it dries, obviously. And y'all, these bands, y'all know they never fit my head. So I have to make them as tight as possible. Off the rip, this wig looking real nice. Real nice. I'm not going to have to do too much work on this. We're going with the touch-up gel from Wig Dealer. Y'all, these applicators that they have make everything so simple and easy. Blow dry that. Make sure it gets nice and tacky. Y'all, when I say tacky... Look at this. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see that? It's literally like stringy. Like that's how you know it's good. It's ready to go. Go ahead and lay that down. And get that combed all into my, this just helps it lay really good. Then go in with the wax stick again to just kind of help my part. We want to make sure that that part is not all lumpy and bumpy because this is curly hair. Looking good so far. Now it's time to get the hair in order. The hair is a little tangled, so I'm struggling through it a little bit, but we're going to get it done nonetheless. The curls are popping. They looking good. Now we're going to go in with some products to help the curls pop some more because I want them to stay. But we're dealing with some shedding a little bit. Not too much, but it is some shedding. So then I'm going to go in with some defining gel. Y'all, I'm getting the naps. Have you ever tied your band on and tied your naps up? Oh my gosh, that hurts. But we're going to go in with this razor and cut off that lace. Y'all, that glue or that gel, whatever it is, I put on way too much. So it's definitely, you can see it lifting up and stuff right here. Don't mind that. We're going to fix that later. Okay, I'm not feeling that side part. I think I need to switch it to the other side because it's too bumpy for me. So let's go ahead and get that going. No, I don't like the middle part either, but this is giving. I like this. We're going to go in with the melting spray just to make sure that nothing's going to lift up later. Tie that down, take that off. Oh, it's looking nice. Add me one little thing of baby hair because I don't need too much. And I use Gots to Be to lay that down. And then put concealer in my part so I'm not looking too crazy. This is what we're looking like. Girl, this hair shed a lot. I showed y'all some, but like this hair was shedding. I feel like I should have went on ahead and left it as a middle part because I really kind of need to cut it now. Y'all see how it's kind of like layered? I need to go in and cut that, but I don't know if I want to do that because if I put it on again, I'm most likely going to put it as a middle part. I just don't feel like messing with it anymore because I've done literally so much to this hair, trying to get the curls to look nice, all that. But it's not the worst hair, but it's definitely not my favorite. It's just not my favorite. I ran my fingers through it to try to give it a nice puffy look because when it dried, it was just flat. It was on my head. I don't want it flat. I kind of want it to be kind of big like how it was when I first put it on at the beginning of the video. I love short curly hair. Like I am the girl when it comes to short curly hair. Everybody like, I'm gonna look like Whitney Houston. Listen, that's auntie. That's auntie. If I'm gonna look like Whitney, let me look like Whitney. Nah, but I really do love short curly bob. That's my look. I'm probably, I don't know what to do. Y'all know I can't take it. I'm about to have to cut this. That looks so much better on that side. Now we gotta do the other side. Okay. That's all I needed to do. I feel a lot better about that being cut off. And I didn't have to cut that much. Just enough to not have it looking crazy. I like this wig much better now. Much, much better. Here we are, you guys. Here is the not so much 14 inches anymore curly wig. I will be linking everything down in the description box down below, so you guys make sure that you check out this wig on Sealy at your own risk, okay? Because I've let you know what's going on with it. And it's not terrible. It's not terrible hair. If you're looking for a cheaper wig that you just want to kind of throw on for vacation or something, this is cute. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to ring my bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Girl, and I will see you in my next one.